Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing pretty well, and thank you so much for asking. What about you? How have you been doing so far?
My day was going good, and I'm having a one session before you. So that I was completed. Now I will take this session. So that's a good thing for us, for me.
Yeah. It seems your morning is so productive, right?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. So, ma'am, yes, we are meeting very first time. So, could you introduce yourself first?
Yes, ma'am. So, thanks for giving this opportunity. My name is Preeti. I'm holding the degree of MBA. I hail from Indore. I'm having two mischievous kids, and I was working before. Now I'm not working. I started my YouTube channel that is related to the English conversational video. That is brief about me, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Wow, wonderful introduction from your side. Yes, you have two wonderful kids, and being a mother, yes, of course, you will be super busy in your life. I can understand. Okay, so now shall I introduce
Yes,
myself?
ma'am. Please introduce yourself so our viewer also get know about you.
Yes. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And as you know, my name is Shweta, and I'm connecting to you from Delhi. And yeah, I consider myself I am a English learner, and at this moment, actually, I'm working on myself, especially in my speaking skill, because at first, like speaking English felt me out of my comfort zone. But nowadays, I'm trying to break the ice, right, by practicing regularly because I believe learning any language it's not a one day job, so we should take it step by step, right?
Right.
So yes, and talking about my qualification, so I have completed BCom BA degree. Additionally, I am a CTED qualified, and I did job as well. I have experience of teaching. All right. So, but right now I am totally, focused. My total focus on improving my communication skills and personal growth. Because we know practice makes a man perfect. So I'm just trying to be consistent, right? And I'm trying my hard to not to give up. But yes, sometimes it's happened. And
Yeah.
coming to my hobbies, so I enjoy cooking, traveling, gardening, and like connecting with the people from different walks of life, right? And yes, this is my little bit introduction, right?
That's
If you want to know any specific things, then please you are free to feel free to ask, right?
Thank you
Thank you.
so much. Thank you so much for giving your wonderful explanation. Like whatever you said, like you are doing so many things in your daily routine, like gardening. Actually, I didn't do the gardening, so I was thinking like
Okay.
how people are managing all the thing like gardening, kids, house chores, because I just upskilling myself now. Like when I start my journey, that time I just think about to how to learn this language. So like in a whole day I just working on my skills only, but now like I'm on that level I can at least express my thought. Before that I'm not expressing my thought, whatever we get the topic, so we are just finding out some things, and then we are expressing our thought. So that way I am learning, but we are not doing more things of that, like whatever you are doing, like you are doing well, I think, in your life. You already done so many things, like you have done like like you are a teacher also, right? Before that, so
Hmm.
that is so. What kind
Yeah,
of difficulty? So, ma'am, can I ask one question? Like,
yes.
I would like to ask some question. So, like, you are in teaching field, right? Before, so what kind of challenges have you faced in teaching?
Uh, okay. Actually, when I started, teaching, first of all, I would like to share. At first, when I completed my BA degree, so later on, I started preparing for government, job like government teacher. So I gave like 2 to 3 years, and then and then I qualified like CTET, and then I also cracked the first paper, but second paper I didn't crack. But what happened in between, you know, something happened in my family, so it was my personal. So I have to left that preparation,
Yes.
and then then 1 year later, I thought, okay, let's join any private school so that I could practice over there. Then I just joined one private school, and then I started working. But whenever we start, doing anything very first time, so it it is difficult really when it comes to learning this language. So you
Yes.
may understand the thing when we start something from our scratch. So we have to put lot of effort at first, but when you start working, then you learn a lot of things, right? And then during that, like, you make a lot of mistakes, but mistakes are stepping stones. So when we learn something, then we make mistake and then we learn, right? So like that, I also did, and it was going very well, and I was enjoying that my teaching journey. But again, when I got when I become mother, right, then there was no one, like, there was no helping hand behind me. So at last, then I have to take decision, and then I decide, okay, I have left my job, otherwise I could not handle both things, right? Then just I quitted my job, and then I start like handling my home chores, or like a
Yeah.
mother. As a mother, you can understand
Yes.
there's a
Yes.
lot of responsibilities. Yes. So then, this is how I just left my job. But yes, again, I didn't try till now because still my daughter is 9 year old. So I just, try to teach her at my home. And nowadays, actually, I'm working on my communication skill. So that's why I like don't find, free
Yes.
time to join again. So let's see what happen. And now I am thinking, if I will learn this language, I will become quite fluent. Then I will think about that,
Okay.
right?
So now I think like you are planning for again to restart your career, right? You think like you have to start again your career, because I also think when I become a mother, so I also quit everything. So that time I was thinking like I'm not doing anything. So we have to, when now kids are growing up, not big, but it's growing up. So I think like I have to upskilling first, because first we have to upskills, then we are getting opportunity, better opportunity, like we can do anything, because time has been changed differently. So we never threw in the towel like that. Why we have to throw in the towel? Because if we are through in the towel, so we are not getting the opportunity. We are can't the accept, we can't admire the new environment, because we when I become a mother, so that I have seen like we have to first priority of that are take care of our kids, because we are living the neutrally, so it's not possible, nobody will here to handle our kids. So that is why we have to follow the thing, like we have to first priority of our kids and do all the thing for our kids. We don't think about to ourselves. So that is why now I'm also upskilling myself by the communication. Yes.
Yeah, that's a commendable, ma'am, because we are not sitting idle, right?
Yeah.
Though we are, handling a lot of things, we wear a lot of, hats together, but again, we are, sufficient to handle all those things together. So that's
Yeah.
nice, ma'am. You're doing great job, I must say. So
Yes.
as we know, Holi is around the corner.
Yes.
So could we talk about that? right?
Yes, I would like to discuss about the Holi also.
What is your favorite, memory about Holi? Do you have any favorite memory? And do do you wear special dress on this particular day?
Yeah, so I would say my special Holi. When I was in college in my hostel, so there was a Holi time. So I will be there because sorry, I was there that time. So actually I don't like Holi that time, but my some friends are. I just close my door and my dormitory room. So that time like my some friends are were coming there and they are saying just open the door, and they are taking us some bucket with pouring the water, color and water, and they just throw it when they are just waiting. If you open the door, then they just pour the water on me, and I don't think like they will come with the water like along with her bucket. So when I opened the door, then they just threw the water on me, coloring water on me. So that actually that is the tremendous thing with me. But that time I don't like the Holi. But after coloring, like after watering on me, I think I played like I enjoyed a lot that festival, because they just pulling me down, and all the bings they are pulling me and just rotating me like that. So it's a very tremendous thing happened with me. So I enjoyed a lot that Holi, but before that I didn't enjoy the Holi because I don't like that kind of festival which where we are coloring on our face and all body. So after coloring, like when we saw our face on a mirror, so that is very horrible, terrible like that. So that is why I don't like Holi before that. But after playing Holi in my hostel time, that time I enjoyed a lot. So I would say like after that I like Holi festival. And like you are asking one more question, I forget it. You are saying about something else. What
Yeah,
question is that?
I asked, do you wear some special dress on that day?
Actually, we are using the old cloth, not a special dress.
Yes.
We know that like a Holi has came, so just you applying some oil on a body and hair, and we are using the old cloth. So we are putting on our for the special Holi purpose. We just putting on ourselves, and when Holi will came, then we are trying to take it out and wear this cloth only. That is I'm doing, not a special cloth like that.
But nowadays, because of like social media, you can
Yes.
see people they wear a special dress, like they wear white like suit or jeans or white t-shirt, and over there were
Yes.
written "Be Holy" or like
Yes, yes,
something like
yes.
that, holy, right? And they like when they play holy in group, then it's look really very
Very.
amazing and beautiful, right? And then they make some kind of reels, and they
Yeah.
enjoy a lot, right? There were loud music, and they start dancing. So like they looks very beautiful in group, isn't
Yes.
it? Yes. Okay, one more question. So
Yeah.
suppose that in your group, maybe your friend, they belongs from different community, right? And
Yeah.
very first time, he or she want to celebrate Holi. So how do you describe and how do you tell them the rules and all about Holi? How
Okay.
would you make them understand, right?
So they are from the different community, right? That time we have
Yeah.
to explain to them. So I think
Right.
that time like they are living the another community. So that time we have to express how we are playing the Holi, what kind of things we are doing, like how we are we are making some delicious food, making some cuisine and dessert in our home. So we just invite to them, and we express our thought about the Holi, how we are celebrating, how we are coloring, and we are inviting to our home also, so that we can serve the foods, serve some cuisine whatever we had made, and try to so like how to use how to use the color and how we are enjoying.
Yes. Okay, one more question. So
Yeah,
suppose that you know, in your group, maybe your friend they belongs from different community, right? And
yeah.
very first time, he or she want to celebrate Holi. So how do you describe and how do you tell them the rules and all about Holi? How
Okay.
would you make them understand, right?
So they are from the different community, right? That time we have
Yeah.
to explain to them. So I think
Right.
that time they are living the another community. So that time we have to express how we are playing the Holi, what kind of things we are doing, how we are we are making some delicious food, making some cuisine and dessert in our home. So we just invite to them and we express our thought about the Holi, how we are celebrating, how we are coloring, and we are inviting to our home also, so that we can serve the foods, serve some cuisine whatever we had made, and try to how to use how to use the color and how we are enjoying a lot. So we some show some pictures also about that. So by the picture, wait man, wait a minute,
Okay, okay.
टाइम है अभी, सुनो. Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay.
yeah, actually, my husband is here, so he's asking about two
Okay.
because we have to pick up our children at 1:15. That's why
Okay.
it's time.
Right,
We
right.
have our time. So,
Okay,
I
okay.
try to invite them and try to express our holy celebration, how we are celebrating, how we are enjoying, how we are coloring to each other, and we serve the food, some delicious food to them, so they can understand how we are celebrating the Holi. That kind of way, we can explain to them, other community people. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It means you would invite, them
Yes.
at the, on the Holi festival, and then when they will come, then we serve them whatever we, cook, and that special day, that special cuisines are there, right? So we will serve them, and then we play Holi with,
Yeah.
them, so
Yes.
that they can understand, yes, this is the Holi
Right.
and this is very joyful and colorful. Yes, it is. Then they will actually understand like how we can like how we are celebrating this festival. When they will play, they will enjoy, they must enjoy.
Yeah.
Right. Hmm. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
ma'am, would I like ask some question, how you celebrate your Holi festival? You say, do you like a Holi?
Yes, of course. Holi is my all-time favorite festival because this festival I enjoyed a lot. Right? And in my vicinity, we all in the morning what we do, when we get up early in the morning, then we can heard the loud music,
Yeah.
loud, loud music. People are laughing, and the colors are in the air, so we can see from your balcony. And then
Yeah.
I just see, yes, and I became so happy. And then as I saw my mother what she used to do at the crack of dawn. She just entered the kitchen and she started preparing all those dishes. That is some particular dish about that festival. That is like guzia, guzia,
Yeah.
malpui. Yes, the malpui. Dahi Valle is a main attraction of this, particular day.
Yeah.
So everyone like to have dahi Valle. So
Yes.
that's why this is a special cuisine, I must say. Everyone enjoy. So I now I have become mother, so I am trying to follow that tradition as I saw to my mother, right? And I also get up early in the morning and just I freshen up myself, and then I took bath, and then I just offered holy and malpui and all to the God. And then after then I start preparing all those, dishes in my kitchen. And my children, when they, get up and they feel that, aroma
Yeah.
of those, dishes, and they came to the kitchen, and they start asking, what are you like preparing, mama? Then she also they see, and then they also my daughter actually what she does, always she get up and she start, preparing their water balloon in
Okay.
bathroom. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so she just prepared all those water balloon and kept she keep in a bucket, and then directly she like go to the balcony.
Balcony.
And yes, and secretly when someone comes and goes in, from the street, then she throw on them, and she enjoy a lot. And she forget all those things. And
Yeah.
and yes, and we all like completed all chores. And then in the, my vicinity, there we all, like went down from a stair, and then we all enjoy and play holy. And
Okay.
we uh, put some colors, powder,
Okay.
and water, all those things. And there are, loud music and all, then we all enjoy.
Okay,
Just
I understand you.
yeah, just give me some tips, then I
Yes,
will
yes,
also
definitely, ma'am.
try. Okay.
Okay.
And by the way, I would like to say it was a very really wonderful session with you. I enjoyed a
Yes,
lot
ma'am.
throughout the session. So thank you so much for connecting and taking time out for this session. Thank you so much, and we
Thank you
will
so much
meet
for.
again. Okay,
Yes, yes,
thank you.
definitely.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.